know that the power to expand your business is in your pocket right now? Today, I'm going to be talking about how advertising your business through social media is going to be the best option for your long-term business goals. So, one thing about social media that makes it an asset to you is that it encourages communication. So, there's no need for snail mail or telegrams or anything of the olden days. Everyone now is using social media. People are on their phones an average of 2.5 hours a day, and you can really cash in and make sure that you advertise your business through social media and make it personal to you and make sure that you have your voice and tone throughout your social media pages. So, what I want to talk about is how you can increase participation through social media. So, there are a lot of different social media platforms that you can be able to create accounts for. And one thing I like about it is that each platform has different strengths. So you can kind of explore Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and just kind of see what fits the business model that you're wanting to apply. I would advise that you look on Facebook first, since you are running a summer camp that teaches math. I would get on Facebook and create a personalized page for your business account just to advertise your business and what you're wanting to do. But I would also join some Facebook pages that are already created that focus on summer camps and different activities to do for your kids in our local area. I think that will definitely give your business a leg up and it will help you in the long run. Another asset of social media is that it strengthens relationships. So one feature that I really enjoy is that you can post more as your summer camps get closer, and you can post fewer in the winter and the off season. But the great thing about social media is that you can see and check on people that you might not think about all the time, but you want to keep up with, and vice versa. There might be people who love your summer camp and can't wait, but might forget about it October through February. So what we want to do is keep you fresh on people's mind and really just um, encourage people to be looking forward to and thinking about your camps even in the off season. Social media also helps build bridges. So what I mean by that is that you're wanting to expand your business over the next couple of years. And as part of that business model, we want to develop curriculum so that you can sell it to trampoline parks or other educators so that they can take it across state lines. Because I know you're a working mom and you have kids at home and you're trying to balance your work and home life all the time. And so it's not really possible to stretch yourself too thin in the summers, especially when your kids are all home. So the great part about social media is that you can market and show people video clips in it, give them a real idea of what you do at your summer camps, and that will be a great marketing tool as others are interested and purchase your different learning curriculum. Another great aspect of social media is that it gets to be absolutely your own. So I know that you're incredibly quippy and funny in real life, and your social media can absolutely reflect that. So as you're on social media, I want you to look at other social media accounts that kind of mirror what you're wanting to do and just kind of see their success or how other people interact with them. Because even though social media is just pictures and words, it really can be a reflection of you and your business and who you are at the end of the day. So I would encourage you to plan out your time and really figure out what you want to do before you begin and establish your page. So I went ahead and looked up some of the social media pages for the businesses in our area that have similar business models. So I know that you've done your summer camp at the local trampoline park, and their Instagram page has 2,769 followers. And I know that the inflatable park that is around the corner, they have 706 followers. So a great idea would be to work with them as summer gets closer to try to promote your camp and just let people know what's going on ahead of time. And that way they can go ahead and put it up on their already established social media pages. And that way a lot of people will be interested and look you up and follow you. And so it'll really just boost your visibility and help your business in the long term. The cost of social media is zero. It does not cost any money to create a social media account and post on it. The only cost involved would be if you were interested in promoting your pages, you would have to pay extra money for that. But I know on the day to day, you have a family and that's your focus. And so the lucky thing is you don't have to spend any of your money and other resources going towards social media. So time spent. So as a mother with a busy schedule, I know you have very little free time, and I don't want social media to take your time, or I don't want you to end up putting more time than it's worth into social media. So there are a couple of different avenues you can take. So I've used scheduling apps before or different websites that will help you schedule your posts. So in your situation, I would plan out the entire month of January, halfway through December. And then I would just spend an hour or two plugging in photos and captions on a website that will auto generate those posts for you. That way you can select a time, the caption, and all the details for the post. And that way you can knock out a whole month in one sitting. And so during nap time, you could schedule that out or whenever you have free time. And that way, instead of spending hours and hours over a year thinking of posts, taking pictures, coming up with captions, commenting back, if people leave comments, you can just do it all in one go and it will significantly simplify the process for you. And instead of becoming this incredibly taxing and draining event, it can be a very simple part of your routine if you would like it to be. So, why do I think social media would be an asset to you? Because you're a stay at home mom with very little free time, and social media will allow you to um, advertise for your business while you're at home. You don't have to leave, it won't cost you any extra money. And I think that your message deserves to get out there. So, why does it matter to get your message out there? I think you have a business that you're incredibly passionate about, and it has the potential to make a difference in many people's lives. Education is so important, and making learning making learning fun and accessible for kids in our community is something that genuinely matters and can shape the long-term trajectory of certain children's lives. So um, I once again would just like to reiterate that social media would be such an asset to your already incredible business, and I think if you use it, you'll have even more success. And truly, at the end of the day, it's what you and your business deserve. Thank you so much for your time.